Borderlands 3 is an action role-playing first-person shooter video game developed by Gearbox Software and published by 2K Games. It is a sequel to 2012's Borderlands 2 and the fourth entry in the main Borderlands series. Borderlands 3 was released on 13 September 2019 for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, Xbox One and on 30 October 2019 for Apple macOS. A Stadia port was released on 17 December 2019. Versions for the Xbox Series X and Series S and PlayStation 5 including free upgrades for users on the prior console versions were released on 10 and 12 November 2020, respectively. Players complete quests and side missions in single-player or multiplayer as one of 4 classes. When killed, enemies may drop weapons and gear which can be equipped. New abilities are unlocked as the player gains experience. The plot is centered on 4 new Vault Hunters recruited by the Crimson Raiders of Pandora to stop twins Troy and Tyrene Calypso and their insane cult followers from harnessing the power of the alien vaults spread across the galaxy. Upon release, Borderlands 3 received generally favorable reviews with praise directed to its gameplay, though some criticized the lack of innovation, technical issues, characters, and narrative. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.